When it comes to technology, the military is at the forefront of what's possible. The latest advancements in tech are usually first seen on the front line, and that's what we're looking at today with a variety of offerings that are world leaders in their class. Let's take a look. First, let's review SkyNext. This is the system that holds Rheinmetall, their defense weapons, together. It's a modular system that allows its user to create a bespoke setup to deal with whatever threats that needs to defend itself against. It is Rheinmetall laid a solution for short-range air defense. The Sky Master Battle Management System is the brains of the operation. Various sensors can be linked in a modular way in order to meet the needs of the mission. One or several medium-range radars like the XTAR 3D Tactical Acquisition Radar can give information on targets which are received in the control node. This Sky Master network then processes this information and attacks the airlock on Revolver Gun Mark III in the air on Twin Gun complement surface-to-air missiles. The unmanned revolver gun combines exceptional precision with high firepower as seen on the other Sky systems. It can fire up to 1,000 rounds per minute. The 35mm cannon has a maximum firing range of 3,500 meters for aerial targets and 5,000 for land equivalents, with its own sensor unit that includes a tracking radar, a TV and an IR camera, as well as laser range finders. The gun can autonomously take over from Sky Master and track targets before attacking. Next, there's the Bouquet, a new automated mine-laying system developed by Polish defense company who test a love of all and its collaborators. It can be used to create scattered anti-tank barrier minefields of different sizes, densities and self-destruction times. The system can be controlled from a ground control station. The design is based on a iOS 8 by a truck chassis which has high mobility and payload capabilities. The fully automated minefield laying process lets it quickly switch between transport and combat mode. The vehicle is able to feature 6 launchers or mine throwers. They can carry MN123.1 and MN123.2 programmable anti-tank mines manufactured by Belmont. 5 anti-tank mines are loaded and a single mine cassette in each launcher can be fitted with 20 cassettes to let each vehicle carry up to 600 mines. This mine-laying system can be deployed to destroy armored vehicles and other vehicles. The Patria family of armored modular vehicles are a modern group of highly adaptable and highly mobile units used for transporting troops. The basic Patriot Inversus has modular ballistic protection. The armor consists of changeable modules with different thicknesses that can be modified to suit mission requirements. The maximum protection level as against 30mm armor-piercing rounds. With its mine protection, it can take up to a 10kg TNT blast. This has been proven when two Polish army vehicles were hit in Afghanistan by RPG-7 rockets. Despite this huge explosion, armor was not penetrated and the vehicles were able to return to base with troops unarmed. The standard vehicle also comes with Protector M151 remote weapon stations fitted with a Patriot PML-127 turret for a 12.7mm machine gun and a 40mm automatic grenade launcher. A large range of different weapons can also be added to the vehicle depending on what the customer needs. Next, a glimpse into what the future of the battlefield will look like. This is the Rheinmetall Mission Master, a modular autonomous unmanned ground vehicle made by Rheinmetall Canada. It can be used for reconnaissance and surveillance operations, mount and dismount forces, and increase operational effectiveness. The all-terrain Mission Master is based on an 8x platform and is a length of 2.95 meters and a weight of approximately 750 kilograms. It's able to hold a maximum payload of 600 kilograms and up to 400 kilograms during amphibious operations. Its maximum speed is 40 kilometers per hour and it can be fitted with tracks or chains for additional mobility. The cargo module is able to carry payloads for different missions including surveillance, logistic transport, medical evacuation, CBR and detection, fire suppression and communication relay. It can also be armed with 50mm weapon systems, .5 caliber machine guns and 40mm grenade launchers if needed. The latest variant of the modular Mission Master is the new armed reconnaissance module that offers all-terrain maneuverability to keep troops safe. The armored vehicle is the capability to collect tactical intelligence in the area of operations as well as give frontline fire support. It is intelligence gathering technology and a field ranger remote-controlled weapons station. The Cockerel I acts as a new fast attack right 4x4 wheeled vehicle courtesy of Belgian-based company John Cockerell Defense. They have designed the Cockerel IACS to be a breakthrough combat system for territorial defense interception, able to engage and defeat any threats before they reach their objective. The car's Soccer Ally X has focused on utilizing a variety of factors to neutralize enemies, including higher velocity, firepower, stealth and embedded intelligence. The vehicle can move at very high speeds on-road and off-road using a thermal or hybrid thermal-electric drivetrain. It's also light and stealthy with appearance management and adaptive camouflage with modification of IR and acoustic signature. This 4x4 also integrates multi-sensor data fusion technology with a smart helmet on board. Intelligence eye cameras sensor is acoustic gunshot detection and localization. The car is capable of integrating a suite of effective weapons such as 25mm, 30mm missiles and rockets depending on the threat to be neutralized. Joking is a Croatian company specializing in designing and manufacturing remotely operated vehicles for various applications, and they've released the M vs 3 Hysterix, an electric robotic vehicle designed to support counter-terrorism, hostage release operations and social unrest crisis missions. The MB3 is a world-unique vehicle that has been in development for 3 years with an expenditure of $2.5 million. It gives tactical teams the advantage of using the system with or without the team, allowing flexibility and a modular approach which avoids putting tactical members in danger. Going back to more traditional military technology now, the M10 Booker represents the US Army's latest armored vehicle. Like a conventional armored vehicle, it is the driver and engine at the front with the turret located at the rear of the hull. The turret is a crew of a commander, gunner and loader. The design of this it is based on the M1 Abrams tank using the HIM-1A to set B3 fire control system and the commander's independent thermal viewer. The M10 also has additional armor panels and under-vehicle protection against improvised explosive devices. Further to this, for the additional safety of the crew, the design incorporates a tested compartmentalization system for ammunition storage. The HIM-10 has been designed with mobility and firepower in mind to make it a useful tool for clearing difficult and uneven terrain and then using a powerful gun to destroy fixed defenses and any defenders left, crewing them for weaponry. The main armament of this vehicle is a 105mm cannon based on the American M35. Polish manufacturer's Activity Mechaniki Tarnów has tested its anti-drone system built on the radar multi-function radar and the Browning Type 12.7mm WKLA machine gun. It's thought the gun has the ability not only to track larger aircraft objects but also those of the nano class or micro objects depending on the size of the unmanned aerial vehicle. The gun has a different range. If the drone is from a nano class, the radar catches it up to 3 km. If it is a micro, be up to 5 km, and a mini class drone is detected at a distance of at least 10 km. The 12.7mm machine gun is of Browning type. It can make 3,600 shots in 1 minute.